yeah, so I have like 2 bowls out. I have one with warm water. I have one with some milk in it. So we're gonna do some fun stuff.
55.
All right, tell me when you found the page. Yep, 154, 155. Oh, look at that cool like lizard.
Aha! Found
154, not 54.
it.
There you go.
Hunting. Who?
So it is the same.
There we go. All right, our
On
Bible
wrong
verse
page.
is stay alert. Watch out for your great enemy, the devil. He prowls around like a roaring lion looking for someone to devour. Ooh, that's kind of a spooky one. So we have to watch out and stay alert all the time. Predators are animals that hunt and eat other animals. On the other hand, the animals that are hunted and eaten are called prey. When you think of predators, you probably think of roaring lions or snarling grizzly bears. But did you know that ladybugs are also predators?
No.
That's right.
Ladybugs
Other
are
bugs.
predators too.
Yes.
I also heard that about fireflies, that they eat other fireflies. Ugh.
Oh my goodness.
They look
Weird.
so sweet and innocent. And that
weird.
sweet little bird on your bird feeder, it doesn't just eat seeds, it also hunts down worms and other insects. So I knew
We
that.
had a chickadee at our feeder just now.
Are you Dave?
Eating
We
breakfast.
just put a bird feeder out, but I don't
And
think
now
the birds
Kiki is
found it.
looking at it.
Aw.
Birds coming.
You're helping to feed the birds through the winter. Just as predators come in all shapes and sizes, they also have different hunting methods. Some predators, like hawks, chase down their prey. Others, like wolves, stalk their prey by quietly sneaking up on it. Some predators, like alligators, ambush their prey, which means they hide and wait until the prey draws near enough to be snatched. To survive, it's important for prey animals to always stay alert. It's important for you to stay alert too. That's because a predator is hunting you and his name is Satan. The Bible says he prowls around like a roaring lion to stalk you. Ooh, so scary. Satan uses the same hunting methods as animal predators. He'll try to chase you down and trap you in troubles. He'll stalk you with temptation, hoping you'll mess up and sin. He'll try to ambush you, waiting for you to let your guard down by not staying close to God. Watch out for traps and stay close to God by talking to him, praising him, and studying his word every single day. Don't be easy prey. God is more powerful than Satan, and he is always able to protect you from any of Satan's schemes. Let me go hard time seeing over my bowls. Okay, here is our prayer. Dear God, I pray you will open my eyes to see the devil's traps, and I pray you will give me the courage and strength to stay away from them. Thank you for leading me. Amen. One of these days, I'm going to get you to say it with me. All right, and the very last part, this is what I was really interested to find out with this lizard right here. Look at him. What's on the end of his tongue?
A fly.
Ah, that poor little fly. Different predators. Flies are pretty annoying though. Different predators have different weapons to kill their prey. Bears have claws, sharks have teeth, and spiders have poison. Is it poison or venom? Poison, I guess. But the chameleon has its tongue. That's right, the chameleon's tongue, which can be more than 7 inches long, about 7 inches, is covered in sticky glue-like substance. When the chameleon shoots its tongue out, the prey gets stuck to it and then gets slurped back into the chameleon's mouth. That is a pretty funny weapon to have, your tongue. I guess our tongues can be weapons too with our words, huh? All right, do you have your official science journal? Okay, good. I see it. Let me try to move my camera. Can you see my bowls?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so I have one with water, one with milk. All right, so we're gonna go over our supply list. Do you have a bowl of water and milk like me?
Bowl of water and blue.
Yep.
Yep.
Ding, 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 ding. Do you have food coloring?
Yep.
Bing, 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 bing. Do you have red pepper flakes?
Yes.
Bing, 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 bing. Do you
The
have
blue
dish
ones.
soap?
Well, it's because the bowl. Yes. Is the milk supposed to be warm too?
Nope.
Okay.
Yeah, that doesn't matter. And
Where's the-
lastly, do you have Q-tips?
I'll go get more.
You only need
A
one.
Q-tip, so.
Sorry, you really only need one, it's fine.
Oh, okay.
I just grabbed this whole thing because I was in a hurry when I was coming down here this morning. Okay, so this term, and I don't know, you might have done this in one of my science classes before. So
No, I don't think so.
I
Okay.
don't think so.
I don't remember it.
Okay, so this term polarity talks about how things have different poles on them. And an example of this could be magnets. Have you ever stuck two magnets together? Here's Eden. Oh, did you try to say hi? Say hi.
Hi, Eden.
She just sneaks in. You know how she does. She actually likes to come in a lot of my science experiment ones. Okay, so have you ever taken two magnets and stuck them together where they stick to each other? Yeah. Have you ever taken them and turned them around and then felt them push each other apart?
I've done that with my magnets.
Okay, so that is polarity. So you can-
If they don't stick together, I just flip them over.
That's right. Yes, very good. So there's different ends, so they have different polarities. And so it says our soap molecules will consist of a water-loving end and a water-fearing end. All right, so it is hydrophilic and hydrophobic. All right, and water molecules in here are polar molecules that can dissolve other polar molecules. And then our fat over here, I cannot see half my screen because the box is in the way. So I just hope you can see this. It looks
I can see it.
like nothing. And the fat and oil inside of our milk are non-polar molecules, so they cannot dissolve in water. And then lastly, surface tension is a force which is on top of liquid. So right now there's surface tension on top of both of our liquids that we can't see. And it causes our water to behave like a sheet of skin on the top. And our same thing with the milk. It's like there's an invisible layer of like skin on the top of our liquids. For example, have you ever seen a bug walk across the water?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what are they called? Pond skippers? What are they called? Those bugs that like walk on the water. And there's some lizards that can do that too, right? It's like
Oh, I know what that's like. It's a water strider.
a water strider? Yeah, I think they're called different names too. So yeah, there's an invisible layer on top of the water. It's called surface tension, which causes it to behave like elastic. All right, so keeping those things in mind, they have different polarity. We have this surface tension on our liquids. What do you think will happen when we add our red pepper flakes to our water? We're gonna do our water first. What do you think will happen? What is your hypothesis? Do you think the red pepper flakes will float on top of that layer of
down into
surface
the
tension?
water?
Do you think
Go
they're
to the
heavy
bottom.
enough? Okay, they're gonna fall. Do you think it will change the color of our water?
Oh, yeah, we have done this.
Maybe. Okay, so maybe. What do you think? Will it change the color?
I don't remember. Will it change the color, you think?
No, I think it'll sink.
Okay, so you think sink. All right, let's write it on our hypothesis. We think in the water it will sink. Oh, careful, Eden. Woo, 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 woo. And I'm gonna draw a down arrow. All right.
I want to see
Move
what
it.
happens.
Pew, 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 pew.
I want this.
All right, so when you're ready, you can sprinkle some
I'm ready, Mom.
red pepper flakes into your water and let's make our observations. I'm just gonna go like this.
This one. Not too many, just sprinkle them.
Oh, I see one falling, two falling.
Only one fell. Oh, now some of them fell. Two more,
I
please.
think I only had like two or maybe three. Okay, so
They're all falling now.
About maybe a third fell.
well, mine, I keep getting it bumped by little Miss Eden Capeden here.
Or
We're just making more of them fall.
no, don't.
But most of mine are on the top. What about you?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's on top of that invisible layer that we can't see with our eyes, but we can see it now with the red pepper flakes, right? So it's on top of that invisible layer, that surface tension. All right, so let's make our observations.
Some
Most
of it
lines
didn't
are on
fall
the top.
down.
I'm gonna write most, arrow up. Then I'm gonna say,
Most floated on top.
I'm gonna
That's
say like
surface.
about 4 sunk.
What are we gonna do with the milk?
You'll just wait and see. Mohaha. Mohaha. Oh, sorry. Sometimes I get carried away. I get so excited. Okay, the next one is with our milk. What do you think will happen when we add our red pepper flakes? Will it sink? Will they float? Will the same
It'll
thing
sink
happen?
again.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna write sink. Down arrow. And when you're ready, shake them in.
It's not even sinking.
All of mine are floating so far. I
Yeah.
can't really tell. It's hard to see through the milk.
I'm not even seeing.
More. Okay, so there's actually more surface tension in milk, maybe? Is there surface tension in the milk?
Yeah, mine's not even falling down.
Mine
They're
either.
all floating.
Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna say
Even-
floated. They floated. All of them stayed on top. Oh, bam. All right, next, the fun part. We're gonna add our food coloring.
Yay!
What color?
I only have 3 colors, which is lame. All right, and so I'm gonna put some drops in the center of each bowl. So right in the middle,
Center of each
add
bowl.
a few drops.
Mommy, I want red in this one and blue in that one.
All right, so we want to add multiple colors to see what happens. So I'm going to add all my colors. I only have 3 colors, but I'm going to add them. 2 blue, 2 yellow. Whoa, the water, it just goes straight through.
Yeah, it goes down.
It's covering up the seeds that fell down, the pepper.
Yeah.
Covering that up. That's interesting. Can you do
All right.
it one more time?
You want a different color or same color?
Green?
Green?
Yeah. And
Red
this
and
one and
green,
this
Christmas colories.
one. This one and this one.
Hey. Do you guys have your tree
Oh, I
up?
don't have any more green. Yes, we do.
Yellow.
Oh, I need to get my tree out of storage.
Can we do
There's
yellow
no green.
then? Yellow and this one, and yellow and that one.
I now have 3 colors as well.
Okay. All right, so grab your Q-tip when you're ready. And we're going to put dish soap on both ends, both sides of our Q-tip. I opened mine up, but sometimes you could just squeeze the lid if you wanted.
I'm gonna
That was just
go
really low.
put it in over this.
Hey, that food coloring in your milk looks kind of pretty.
Oh yeah, it does look pretty right now. We'll see what
It
happens.
looks like a rainbow color.
Yeah, and my water, it just looks brown. It just instantly changed brown.
Okay.
Mine turned red, kind of.
All right, let's
With
make
yellow in it.
our hypothesis. What do you think will happen when
my
we
goodness.
take our Q-tip and we touch our water with it? What do you think will happen?
I think maybe the dish soap will go to the bottom.
Okay, the dish soap will shoot to the bottom. Do you think it will break the surface tension?
Uh-uh.
Do you think all the pepper will sink to the bottom with it?
Pepper will sink to the bottom with it.
Do you think it will cause bubbles?
Uh-uh.
Do you think it will explode?
I don't know.
I just keep asking more and more questions. Okay, so we think the color will go to the bottom and the peppers will go to the bottom. Is that what you said? Okay, all right, so I'm writing it down. Colors, down arrow. Pepper, down arrow. Okay, when you're ready,
I went down on one of them.
take your Q-tip and just touch the surface of the water.
The water one.
And hold it there for a minute.
It's starting to
Oh,
shake it.
interesting.
What is
They
happening? I
move
can't see.
away.
What's
Did you see
happening?
that?
Talk to me, Nathan. What is happening over there?
They're moving away.
Okay, so they shot away. Did you have any peppers fall down?
No.
No.
I had a
They
couple.
They just all went to the edge.
Okay, so
That's so
mine
cool.
shot away too. And the color, did anything happen with your color?
Hey, it's sticking now.
Oh, weird.
Oh, Mommy, they're sticking to it now.
My color
I
just
don't
did
think you're supposed
nothing.
to do that.
Still a brown heap in there.
I'm
All right,
getting
so, what are we gonna,
Huh.
we gonna
That
draw
was so
this?
cool. Did you see how they all started moving away?
Yeah.
No, don't do it in the milk yet.
So I'll
And
say
now I'm getting
peppers.
dish soap on me, and this one doesn't have enough.
Okay, you didn't use the other end yet, did you?
No.
Okay, good. So save that for the milk. Let's write our observations. I'm gonna write peppers
Look all down.
to the sides or something there, or shot out
No, she's saying what happens with the water. The peppers
One,
move to the side.
to the
Yeah.
sides.
I
And
think maybe for the next one, they'll sink down.
okay, I had a couple fall. My food coloring did nothing. So
My food coloring.
now what do
Didn't
you
do
think will
anything.
happen with the next one? You think the peppers will go down again?
Yep, and that water turned reddish yellow because
Okay.
I put red and yellow in there, and the blue I put blue and yellow, and it made green.
Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna write the colors. The
What do you think
milk
happens
will
to the
change
color?
colors. The milk will change colors. I'll write
Will the
that.
milk change color?
Yes, it's mine.
Okay, so when you are ready, go ahead and touch it in the center again, just like we did with the
Hey, it's moving.
water. Whoa.
That's so cool.
Oh, I wish
I
there was
like the
more
color.
color in it.
Wow.
Made like a kaleidoscope.
That's cool.
Mix mine up a little bit for fun. Oh, now it's turning brown. Now it's turning like muddy milk.
That's so cool.
Wow. Can we do this again, Mommy?
Maybe.
Me and Eden have done this a lot. Even when she was a little baby, she would just sit there and put the food coloring in and put the dish soap in, just keep doing it. So after a while, you will need to get new milk because it'll basically attach to every molecule and it'll stop working. All right, so make your final observations. What happened?
The food coloring is not working. It's just making new food coloring.
Making
It's
new food
changing the
coloring.
color.
Mine shot to the side again. My peppers went to the side.
Yeah, mine did
shot to
too.
the side.
Mine did too.
I say shot to the sides.
It shot to the sides.
Shot to the sides. Okay, now I'm gonna read our final
Can I
observation.
put some more soap on this, please?
You know what I do sometimes? I just take my soap and I'll just drop it in. If you don't have a Q-tip, you can just put a little drop of soap in the center. Okay, so our Bible verse, do you remember what it talked about? Do you remember the predators and prey? And how the devil stalks us like a roaring lion seeking to devour us? You don't remember that? Oh my gosh, let me get my book. I'm gonna read it again. Hold on.
I'm teasing. I actually do.
Okay. Oh, and it was 1 Peter 5:8. I don't know if I said that. Just stay alert. Watch out for your great enemy, the devil. He prowls around like a roaring lion looking for someone to devour. And so something interesting with this is like, we can think about the dish soap being like God, and he pushes away all the things that are trying to get us. So the red pepper flakes and the food coloring could be like the devil and his schemes. And when we touch it with the dish soap, God's like, I don't think so. Stay away from Nathan. Stay away from Teacher Elizabeth. Stay away from Eden. Pew, pew. And so we do that with praying and staying close to God. All right, now scientifically, why did this happen? We learned about our surface tension. So when we add the dish soap, it weakens the surface tension. By increasing its wetting properties at the same time, the phosphates in the dish soap are reacting with the fat and proteins in the milk. So the soap is trying to grab the fat out of the milk and break it down. And so it's just like when we wash dishes. Wait, have you ever washed dishes before?
Only once with mommy.
Only one time. So it helps break down our food and grease and all that stuff that's stuck on our dishes. We have our kitten attacking us now. All right, so it's breaking down the fat particles, causing them to move around, and it looks really beautiful. So I'm gonna dump. I was gonna dump mine out. Where'd that little tray go, Eden? Uh-oh. Oh, here it is. Okay, I'm gonna dump mine out and do it one more time.
Do it one more time?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it one more time. So
I want to do it one more time too.
Watch out, Eden.
We have no more milk, but we can do the. You got to get more milk.
I want to do the milk one.
Well, we can't. You can do it in the same bowl, but I used up the milk.
All right, that's okay. You can just watch
Use
mine.
more soap in
Add
it.
more colors.
More
Yeah.
of that colorful stuff.
Yes.
Yeah, the water one is like meh. It's cool, but I think the milk one is cooler.
Yeah, me too.
Add more colors this time.
Cool.
It's already swirling because I poured it so fast. Ah! Stop swirling!
You have red. I mean, green.
Green. It only came with 3 colors. How lame is that? And look at the front. It's like false advertising. Thought there's gonna be lots of cool colors. All right, let me grab another Q-tip. Oh, and red
We're
pepper.
doing the water one again.
Yeah, you can do that one with the red pepper flakes, a whole bunch of them. Like add more in there. See what happens.
What color do you want?
Yellow
Yellow.
and blue. Yellow and blue for this one.
Get in there, red pepper flakes. Stop bumping the desk, please.
Get up.
Okay. You want to do it, Eden? Oh, okay.
It's kind of funny when we did the yellow food coloring.
Hey, I said
Like-
blue.
Oh, sorry.
We can
Red
do blue
stayed to the
too.
top and yellow went down.
Can
Wow.
we do blue, mommy?
That happened before.
Here too. Yeah.
All right, are you ready, Nathan? Here we go. Are you ready? Are you gonna watch it? Here we go. Pew!
Wow. That's how mine did it too. That's
It's
how
so-
mine did it.
I added a lot of dish soap. I might drop some in too. I'm gonna drop some
So
in.
cool.
I can't stop. There's no stopping me.
Can we do it on a Q-tip?
Oh, it works just as well.
Ooh. Ooh, you can see it
No.
moving all across the
Oh,
bowl.
whoa, that's funny. Look at my water.
I can't see it.
Hold on. I'm trying to do 2 things at once.
It's so
Oh,
funny looking.
It
It's
is.
the
Hold
blue
on, let me
turned
get the camera.
purple. The blue turned purple.
Can you see it?
Oh, it looks like oatmeal from here. Oh, oh yeah. There's a
Okay.
lot of color in that one. All right, guys, have a wonderful
Can I show
weekend.
you?
Oh, he wants to show you really quickly. Oof. Sorry. Here,
My
here.
advent calendar dinosaurs.
Oh, cool. Spinosaurus
T-Rex. Yes.
and Spiny. Spinosaurus, bum bum. Watch your tail, Spinosaurus. Although in real life, the Spinosaurus would be much bigger, right? Yeah, that's one of my favorite dinosaurs. It's so big.
The T-Rex got it.
No, T-Rex, be nice.
Thank you.
Have a good week, you guys. I'll see you next week. We're gonna do hot chocolate next time.
Yum.
Hot
Thank
chocolate.
you.
Bye-bye. Thanks for joining me today. If you want access to this full online course for free, go ahead and check it out at teachmetruth.com, where you will have access to all of the printables, the science journals, list of instructions. There are also lists of ingredients and supplies and everything you will need for all of the activities and experiments. Check it out. See you soon.